Hello, my name is August and I am in third grade. My project is mathematics and nature. Here are some pictures I would like to show you. This is a bee that is on honeycomb. If you can see, the bees make perfect hexagons from the honeycomb. And I know how they do it. The bees make circles from the wax and then they melt the wax with their body heat and make it into hexagons from circles. Here's a spiral shell. Notice how it's a spiral. The shell has a spiral because mollusks require an increasing amount of space as they grow. But the shell only the shell only gets bigger at the opening. So that causes a spiral to take form. But if the shell got bigger all the way through, instead of spirals, it would just be lines. Here's a wave. As you can see, there is a spiral. Some waves are spiral, and here's why. Out in the ocean, where there's not lots of rocks or reefs, the water moves along, just like how you would think of a wave that's not a spiral. But close to the shore, where there are lots of rocks and stuff, the bottom of the wave, when it's coming in, it hits a rock. But the top of the wave keeps going. Without the bottom of the wave to help it stay up, the top of the wave falls over, causing a spiral to take form. Also, here's a galaxy. Notice the spiral. There is a spiral because in the center there's a massive black hole that keeps all the planets around it because of its massive gravity. Around there are a ton of solar systems. The solar systems in the center orbit around more quickly than the solar systems out far. This causes a spiral to take form because of the different speeds of the rotating solar systems. There are two types of spiral. One is the Fibonacci spiral, which is a spiral that gets bigger with every turn around. Another spiral is an Archimedean spiral. An Archimedean spiral is a spiral that's the same distance from the spiral before it all the way around. The end. Are there any questions?
That was so amazing. That was incredible. I learned so much just now. Questions, ladies?
After you did this project, what do you think your next topic would be?
I think I would like to do research on planets.
Cool. Very cool. Wow. What's the most interesting thing you learned?
I learned that that mollusk shells only get bigger at the opening.
Yeah.
I thought that was really cool.
That was very cool. Thank you so much, Augie.